Hi, my name is Anna Page. I'm a content creator and I'm partnering with Ballard Designs to walk through how to style your coffee table like a pro. A fantastic place to start is with a large tray like this. There are several benefits to this. One, keeps everything from looking cluttered and it keeps everything on your coffee table condensed. But the second thing is that you typically have a very smooth surface, and adding in a texture like this is going to add instant dimension and interest. The first thing that we're going to add to the tray is a couple of coffee table books. I love that these add color, but it also gives height, which is really important in making sure this all looks very dimensional. Next up, we'll add a plant. I'm going to add a few things that are a bit smaller, and I think where a vignette look full but not cluttered is that the items that you're adding serve a practical purpose. First up is a set of coasters. Of course, you can't have a coffee table without a cozy candle. A pretty snuffer is going to go on the book right next to it. One of my best decorating tips, especially when you're dealing with a smaller vignette like this, is to decorate in threes. So this unit will count as one, this will count as one, and this will count as one.
If you don't want any separate items on your coffee table, but you like a dimensional look, consider adding a book stand. It elevates your pieces for varying heights, but it also makes a great conversation piece depending on what you have on display. If you have a more formal sitting room and you like a fuller look, adding a rechargeable lamp is always a fun and unexpected addition. It can be the center light of late night conversations and add height and dimension to your vignette.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ballard's YouTube channel to get more content like this.